Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about how to declare variables and how to perform string manipulation in PowerShell. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. So let's get started. In PowerShell, to declare a variable, you need to use dollar symbol, right? And then you need to specify the variable name. So let's say in my case, I will use the variable as $person, and then I will specify the name of the person, right? And for that you can, when you are setting the value in the variable, in that case you can use the single quotes, and also you can use the double quotes, right? So let's say I will specify that Steve Smith, right? And then I will just click on it, and then the value has been set to the $person, right? And now if I come and print, if I use $person and execute this code, you will see that the result has been printed on the screen. So it is Steve Smith, right? So we have certain functions which we can apply on the string variable, right? So for example, if I come here and put a dot, you will see that it have multiple options, right? For example, if we want to know the length, then I can just put dot length, and you will see that it has printed the number of characters. So if you count, you see that the the count is 11, right, including the space. Okay, this is about the length. Now when we again put dot, you see that it says that contains, just in case if you want to check if there is something present. So let's say if I say Smith, it will return the boolean value, right? So for example, if I use $person dot contains, and inside it if I specify the Smith, then it will return the boolean value. So it can be true or false. As you can see, it says that true, right? But if we say that, just check if in the variable $person, if it contains the mark, then it will return the false, right? Apart from this, we have some other functions as well. For example, uh, if you want to replace something, so you can just say replace, and then you need to specify what do you want to replace. So let's say if I say replace Smith with, and then comma, then you can specify mark, and when you execute this code, you will see that that new uh, value has been printed, which is Steve Mark. So the next action is, you can see here that it has compared to, copy to, ends with. So for example, in if you want to check if a string ends with some specific character, then we can specify saying that okay, does it end with H? Then we will get the true. It will return the boolean result, right? So which is true. And if I say that okay, does this string, which is Steve Smith, ends with G, then it will return false, right? So this is the use of ends with. And the next action, we can check that get type, which will you know return the type of that variable. So here you can see that it says name is a string, right? Just like this, we can check other functions. So let's say if you want to know the index of a certain character. So let's say if I specify T, then it will give me the index of it, right? And just like this, if I say give me the index of S, it will give me the first index, you know, the first character index. So first is Steve. So starts with S, and S is present at the 0, 0 index. And for example, so let's say if you want to, just in case if you want to print first character, you can just say that person. So it has printed S, and if you want to say that, okay, I want the character which is present at third index, then it will print the V, right? So you know, based on index also you can access the uh, characters of a string, right? And now let's say you want to check, uh, you want to split it. So let's say if you want to split this uh, variable value, so which is, let's say you want to split it by space, then if you run it, you will see that it has splitted this string and it has put it into the Steve Smith. So if we store this result into a variable and then run it, and then if we try to, you know, access the result, then if I access the element which is present at 0 index, then it will print Steve. And if I say give me the result or the value which is present at first index, then it will return the Smith, right? So you can basically, after splitting the value, you can store the result into a variable, and then you can access the value. So this is how you can declare the variables. And also you can perform certain string manipulation. For example, you can use the length property to get the length of the string. You can use replace, you can use contains, you can use ends with. So these are few property which I have shown to you in this video, but in the next week video I will show you other properties of a string, right? So if you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.